so cold outside right now. It's freezing.
Hey y'all, how's it going? Happy New Year, and I wishing everybody a prosperous year. Go achieve those goals, stay positive, hustle. And I honestly wish you all the best, okay? I have a lot of exciting content for y'all this year, and I myself am excited for it, so I'm definitely looking forward to that. Today, I'm actually going to cook, which is a bit off the I'm always cooking some sort of meat or something with my dishes, but today I'm actually going to cook a plant-based dish, which will be Beyond Meat sausage, rigatoni. So I have some Beyond Meat sausage right here. Alright. And the rigatoni I'm gonna make with some Marzano tomatoes, which is probably one of the best tomatoes out there to make Italian sauces because of its density. It has the perfect amount of acid, as well as it's very fruity. So it's definitely one of the best tomatoes to use to make Italian pasta sauces. So I'm gonna use the San Marzano tomatoes, if you can see here. And we'll be making that with rigatoni pasta. So my best friends, they're pescatarians, and for the longest they've been trying to get me to try plant-based sausage or Beyond Meat sausage or what's not. So I was like, okay, why not? I'm actually give it a try. So this is my first time cooking and trying a plant-based dish. Plant-based sausage. So this is gonna be interesting on how this is gonna turn out, but I'm definitely looking forward for it. And definitely looking forward to making the pasta sauce as well. So let's get to it. So now we're gonna crush the garlic. We're gonna cook the garlic with some olive oil before we pour the tomatoes in the saucepan, okay? So let's just... The saucepan is a bit nice and hot now. Add some olive oil. Don't be shy with it. Be generous with the olive oil, because now we're gonna cook some garlic in here. Okay, now we're gonna add the garlic in. Now we're gonna add the San Marzano tomatoes. I'm gonna sprinkle some basil. Stir it in. Gonna add a bit more in. Add the adobo, some seasoning. Stir around. Now we're gonna try fry the Beyond Meat sausages. Let's see how they come out. Now we're gonna get ready to make the rigatoni pasta in the pot. So we're gonna add some salt first, then some olive oil. We're gonna let the water come to a boil, and then we're gonna add the rigatoni pasta. Now we're gonna add the pasta in. A bit more. These are the vegan sausages came out from Beyond Meat. Now I'm gonna add the Beyond sausage meat in. I'm gonna just stir it up in the sauce. That. Now we're gonna add some pasta water from the rigatoni into the sauce. Then we'll add the rigatoni after. There we go. Stir it all around. There we go. Now we're just gonna add the rigatoni in. It's gonna be delicious. So this is the vegan rigatoni here. Now we're gonna present the rigatoni. First go off. Wow, just look at that. Let's look at that. Now we're gonna try this and see how it tastes. I'm excited. Wow. It actually tastes almost like a sausage, literally. The pasta sauce came out so good. Damn. And like, I rarely cook pasta, but that tomato sauce kicking, like that tastes so good. Oh my god. And the pasta itself is as well al dente. This is good. Wow, just look at that. So right now I'm just trying the food. Usually after I cook, like I somewhat lose my appetite, so I can't eat right away. So I have to give it some time. So I'll probably eat the rest of this later on. But so far, it's delicious. It's my first time again trying the plant-based sausage, and honestly, it doesn't taste no different really than just regular sausage that you buy. The Marzano sauce is amazing. It's fruity and just flavorful. But guys, this tastes amazing. I'll recommend this recipe to any of y'all. And if y'all have tried the recipe and y'all enjoy it, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, okay? Everybody have a good one, and I'll see y'all on the next show.